Hi, this is Christy Crocker, the Student Services Principal for Plato R5. This year we've had some changes to our parent pickup and drop-off procedures for the 2021 school year. Due to COVID-19 guidelines, we ask that parents wait in their vehicles for their children to be dismissed to them. During both pickup and drop-off, we will maintain a one-lane line of traffic coming up Plato Drive from Turley Road to the old gym entrance. Each pickup drop-off family will receive a hang tag with a number to allow staff to quickly identify the family units. These hang tags will be given out during drop-off and pickup on the first day of school. You will receive 3 hang tags, which should allow you to share them with anyone that you would like to have pick up your children. A staff member will radio for the family unit and send your students to your car. Here's what drop-off might look like.
This year, we are asking that everyone use a different entrance when coming in for student drop-off. Right here on Turley Road. Proceed up Plato Drive. The old gym. Like we have lots of visitors today. Normally there won't be anyone parked right here. We'll take a right into the circle drive. And you can see all of our helpful staff ready to assist your student to get them off to a great start for the day. Hello, Plato employees. Good morning.
Happy Monday.
Happy Monday. Welcome back to a great school year. Hello.
Are you ready for
Thank you
breakfast?
so much.
Let's go.
Take care of my baby. Bye. And you'll pull safely out and proceed back down to the highway to the stop sign out our parent exit. Thanks for helping us have a smooth drop-off.
And this is what pickup might look like.
Pickup time. You're going to follow the same path to pick up your student. You're going to turn onto Turley Road. And take a left onto Plato Drive. There may be a line. We're going to maintain a one-lane waiting. You just wait patiently as the cars ahead of you load. Today, we're lucky. We are the only parent in the parent pickup line. Lots of guests here today. Can't wait to hear how my students' day went.
You're right to see our family unit 7.
Did you have a great day? I'm so excited to see you.
Get in. See you tomorrow. Have a great night.
Thank you,
Bye.
Miss Figueroa.
See you later.
And then we proceed past the old preschool building down to parent exit. And we have a smooth, safe landing for our little eagle. A wonderful school year.
So that might be what you see when you come on the first day of school. These procedures have changed to allow for increased efficiency and safety. Please help us keep our eagles safe during landing and takeoff this year. Have a wonderful school year.